Hey guys, this is Tang from hithanhdotcom, and in this video we are going to buy a professional email with your domain name from Namecheap. So first of all, you need to hover to your domain list and then click on manage on the domain that you want to buy an email for. And in this case, I'm going to buy for my hithanhdotcom. Now scroll down to private email and then hit buy now. In this part, you see free trial and bill yearly. Namecheap allows us to buy a domain name for only $14.88 per year. We can use in 2 months for free. Just click on Get Started. In this part, we will see purchase a new domain, use a domain that I own with Namecheap. So exactly, we choose this one. Now again, there are a list of domain and you will need to choose the domain that you want to buy an email for. Select, then click on continue. Once you have done that, just click on add to cart, then confirm order. Click on pay now. We need to click on agree to the terms and agreement, and after that we click pay now. That's it. So I already buy an email for my domain name. Now go to create mailboxes. Scroll down, click on create mailbox. On this page we are going to enter your mailbox name, and I often use contact or support at my domain name. And for the mailbox password, you can just type the one you want it to be, then hit save changes. Now let's test our web mail. Normally in the beginning, if you go to the dashboard and you don't know where to click on the private email, you can go to your domain list and then you will find your domain name. You click on that one, manage, and after that you need to scroll down to private email and then you click on manage again. And then on this page you will see the mailbox over here, and you click on this drop down button, open webmail. Make sure you remember your login details and then you can just put in here. We created this before, and then you click on login. Now this is your private email. You can use this email as your Gmail, however it's more professional because it is attached with your domain name. Now you can test this email by sending an email to this particular email. hithanhdotcom. Hello, this is a test email. Then send. There, as you can see, so this email is working fine. I can use it perfectly. So that's it for create a professional email with Namecheap. If you have any question, feel free to comment below. And if you like my video, please give it a like and please subscribe to my channel so I have more motivation to make more videos in the future. Thank you so much. This is Tang from hithanhdotcom, and bye bye.